Hope you are great. Today we are going to continue lesson 3, cell structures and function. So we're going to talk about the plant cell. What are addition parts that found in plant cell? In plant cell, there's two membrane. First membrane called cell wall. So in plant cell, the cell wall is rigid structure that surround the cell membrane, while the second layer is a cell membrane. So what the function of the cell wall? It's providing support and protection to the cell. While animal cell only have cell membrane, while plant cell have cell wall and cell membrane. So cell wall surround that cell membrane to support and protect the cell. I mean plant cell. Plant do not have skeleton, do not have cytoskeleton like animal cell. Animal cell have cytoskeleton to give the shape to the cell, while plant cell do not have skeleton. So cell wall, it get the shape from cell wall. So the plant cell get their shape from cell wall. So cell wall give shape to plant cell because plants don't have skeleton, while animal cell have cytoskeleton. Some fungi, archaea, bacteria, protists also have cell walls. Some bacteria will maybe have cell walls. A vacuole. Vacuole is the fluid-filled vessels. Fluid-filled vessel. It's a vessel filled with fluid, found in the cell of most animals, plants, and fungi. So these vessels may be found in animals, plants, and fungi. Inside these vacuoles or vessels, there is a fluid contain enzymes, nutrients, water, or wastes. So inside this vacuole, this vacuole is a vessel filled with a fluid. This fluid may contain enzymes, nutrients, water, or wastes. This plant cell and this animal cell. Plant cell have a large central vacuole. This large central vacuole that store water and help support the cell, while animal cell small one. Look, it's smaller than plant cell. So the difference between vacuole of plant cell and animal. If the plant cell has large central vacuole, while animal cell has a smaller one. Animals must eat food to provide their cells with energy. However, plants can make their own food using a photosynthesis process. So plants make their own food by process, that process called photosynthesis process. Inside the plant cell, there is an organ that is responsible for this photosynthesis process. This organelle called chloroplast. So chloroplast is an organ where photosynthesis process occurs. So photosynthesis process occurs in chloroplast. This one, this is called chloroplast. Look, the green color one. Photosynthesis process is a process by which use sunlight. Photosynthesis process happen when in presence of sunlight, plants take carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil and give sugar and oxygen. Sugar is the food for plant. This one, sugar is the food for plant. Chloroplasts are green. Look, it's a green color. Why? Because of green pigment called chlorophyll. There is a green pigment, green pigment inside the chloroplast called chlorophyll, which absorbs solar energy, absorbs sunlight. So this green color or chlorophyll that present inside the chloroplast responsible for absorb solar energy or absorb sunlight. at photosynthesis process must happen in presence of sunlight. What? Why? To add the chloroplast to absorb it and also take carbon dioxide and water to form or to give us sugar and oxygen. Sugar is the food for plants, while oxygen is what you inhale. That's it.